Now we see the problem on cube. A cube having the length of edge given whatever it may be, resting on its one of the face on HP with an edge of or with a vertical face inclined 30 degrees to VP. So one face is inclined, so this angle is given as 30. So this should be 30 degrees inclined because it is 30 degrees inclined to VP. Then draw this square and then this cube. Since it is cube, there won't be slant edges. So this should be as light as possible. So this is what is the axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again it has got 8 corners. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So let it be 1 dash. This will be 2 dash. This will be 4 dash and this will be 8 dash. Then this will be 5, 6. Then this will be 8 and this will be 7. So this is the simple position of the cube is given. Now it is given in the problem. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP, inclined 30 degrees to HP and passing through top end of axis. Passing through top end of axis. Top end of axis is this, perpendicular to VP, so cutting plane line will be in front view, inclined 30 degrees to edge. So you can keep your protector here, it is passing through here, draw a line 30 degrees inclined. So this angle must be of 30 degrees. Ultimately this angle will be of 30 degrees because it is 30 degrees inclined to HP, passing through the top end of axis. Now see, here the whole cube is, this corner is cut, right? So you can project this 2 points, one is this and one is this. So this will be your sectional top view. So you can hide this. So you have got 4 points, that is A, B, C and D, right? So draw a line parallel to this to get the true shape. Project this 90 degrees. Project this and project this. So you can find this is the point A which is on this projector. So A will be here. Then on this projector it is this B. So B is at this much distance. So you can mark this B somewhere else here. This distance will be equal to this. On this projector there are 2 points. This is D. So D is here. And this is C. So C is here. So this will be a sectional true shape. So this problem, cube resting on its face on HP with a vertical face inclined, edge of base or vertical face inclined 30 degrees to VP. So this is the projection part. Then it is cut by a perpendicular plane, cut by a plane perpendicular to VP or AIP. It is same as AIP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP, where you will get cutting plane line in front view, 30 degrees inclined to HP, so this angle is given as 30 degree, and passing through a point, passing through top end of axis. Top end of axis is this, so it is passing through this. Keep your protector here, draw a line 30 degrees inclined, so you will get the section plane line. Project it downward, so this corner is fully cut. Here you will get 2 points D and C. Here we will get one point, that is B, and here we will get one point A. So to get the true shape, you can draw a line parallel, project all these projectors perpendicular to this line, then get the distance of A, you can mark A, get the distance of B, you can mark B, on the projector of B, you can on the projector of C and D, you can mark D and C. So you can mark this and you can get this as true shape of the section. Okay.